Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. So I am going to be doing like half, rubber band style, and then the rest is going to be a wash and go. I do have two products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'll also be using the Eco Styler Gel, and this is their Argan Oil line. I'm going to start by sectioning up here. I'm going to start by making a middle part. So I'm only probably going to do like 6 rubber bands. Now I'm gonna go ahead and section the first section. Here's one section. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a hair tie and just tie it out of the way. All right, so same thing on this side. So I'm gonna start by working from the front to the back. So we're gonna tie this section out of the way while we work on the front. So I'm gonna start by adding some leave-in conditioner. And then I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler Gel. And then I'm just going to go ahead and detangle. I'm just going to use this brush here. Just a wet brush. So let's go ahead and do the first section. So I kind of want it to be like a little bit like a triangle, like so. Like that. To be the first one. Maybe a little more. Like that. Yeah, that's way better. So now I just take a hair tie. So obviously we're gonna need a little bit of Eco Gel. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. Okay. And I'm just gonna use this Rato comb just to smooth everything out. And now I'm gonna use my small brush. Okay, right there and here. I'm gonna do edges too, so now I hold it. Take an elastic and tie it like that. And then I just give it a squeeze. Alright? And as you can see, it's going towards like the back. That way you can go to the other one. So I'm actually just gonna pull some of my edges out just a little. Alright, so now we move on to the second section. Okay, grab this piece and then tie it with a rubber band. Give it a squeeze. And now on to the last portion. There we go, I did 3. So now do the same thing over here. Okay, so here we are. Now we're gonna go ahead and style the curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and split in half. Same thing, I'm gonna be using my Cantu leave-in for some moisture. Same thing, Eco Styler Gel. Alright guys, so here we are. I went ahead and applied the gel. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of edges. You guys already know I love me some edges, so it doesn't look too tight. And this piece here too, I was wanting to do. Alright, so here is the finished results. I know it's a little botchy, but I think it looks really cute though. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let it dry. And you guys already know I don't do diffusers, so I am gonna let it air dry and then I'll be back. So that's how it looks wet. Alright you guys, so here is my hair all fully dried. The top, back. Okay, so this is the finished hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. I think my hair looks super cute. Keeps the front of my hair out of my face. And just, yeah, my curls are popping. Edges on fleeky. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Leave your kind and your sweet comments down in the comment section. And if you're new here, make sure you guys hit the red subscribe button down below and the notifications bell. That way you will be notified every single time that Kayla's Curls uploads here on YouTube. So with that being said, this is pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I think this hairstyle is super cute. The style is super perfect for spring, summertime. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you want to find me on my social medias, you can find me there at Kayla's Curls. And yeah, any requests, drop in the comment section. So until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next Kayla's Curls video.